What will happen when all the stars burn out, galaxies drift apart, and time itself seems to stop? Today, we're exploring one of the biggest questions in cosmology: the possible endings of the universe. Join us as we look at different ideas about how the universe might end. Let's start with the most accepted idea: the Big Freeze. As the universe keeps expanding, galaxies will move farther apart. Stars will eventually use up their fuel and burn out, one by one. Over trillions of years, the universe will become cold and dark. Imagine a huge, empty space with only faint remains of stars. This scenario is called the Big Freeze, or heat death. In this state, all energy is spread out evenly, making life as we know it impossible. But what if things didn't slow down? What if the universe sped up? That's where the Big Rip comes in. This idea suggests that the universe's expansion could get faster and faster, pushed by something called dark energy. If dark energy keeps growing, it could tear apart not just galaxies, but stars, planets, and even tiny particles. In this scary idea, everything would eventually be ripped apart, ending in total destruction. Imagine the universe stretching until galaxies, stars, and even atoms are torn apart by an unstoppable force. Now let's look at another idea: the Big Crunch. The Big Crunch is a scenario where the expansion of the universe stops and reverses, pulling everything back together. Galaxies would start falling toward each other, making the universe denser and hotter. Eventually, everything might collapse into one single point, possibly creating a new Big Bang. This idea imagines a cosmic collapse where everything we know is pulled into one point, maybe to start a new universe. Then there's the Cyclic Model. This idea suggests the universe goes through endless cycles of expanding and collapsing. So, after a big crunch, instead of ending, the universe might explode in another Big Bang, creating a new universe. Each cycle might be different, with unique physical laws. This idea raises questions about time and our place in the universe. Are we just one version in an endless cosmic cycle? Finally, let's look at a more mysterious idea: the quantum decay. In this theory, the universe could face a sudden event due to random quantum changes. This could create a bubble of lower energy vacuum that expands at the speed of light, wiping out everything in its path. It's a reminder that the universe, at its most basic level, is controlled by the strange and unpredictable rules of quantum mechanics. So, what will be the ultimate fate of our universe? Will it end in a big freeze, face a big rip, collapse in a big crunch, cycle endlessly, or suddenly end through quantum decay? We may not have all the answers, but exploring these ideas helps us understand the universe and our place in it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the possible endings of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-expanding content.